Hey guys, welcome to How to Media. In this video, I will show you how to send sound emojis on Facebook Messenger. Now let's get started. First connect to the internet and then open Play Store and search for Messenger. Now you need to install the application. I have already installed it. It will take only few seconds to install the applications. After installing it, open the application and now choose the person you want to send the sound emoji. Click on the search box and then select the emoji icon at the right, and you can choose between different stickers. Click on the audio icon. Here you can see the sound emojis. There are different emojis you can choose from. After selecting the one you like, you click on the same button and it will be sent to that person. If you click on that emoji, it will produce the sound. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to my channel.